How to make money online for beginners in 2021. How to make money online for newbies. Most humans assume that building wealth online is for the unemployed and the bored. Somehow we tend to think of young mothers or college students trying to make an extra dollar by blogging or posting on social media. While the vast majority of online entrepreneurs struggle and by no means succeed in reaching the huge global online commerce, some stars are taking to the skies. But they all started somewhere, didn't they? Everyone started out with the same unconscious expression on their faces when they first opened a WordPress admin panel. Everyone had no idea of a way to take a nice photo of themselves inside the mirror and edit it the way it seems to have changed to just shrink from Vogue magazine. If you need to find a way to make money online, you want to take advantage of the possibilities that are already available to you. And there are tens of thousands and thousands. Today we are able to talk about 5 great ways to elaborate that how to make money online for beginners to start building wealth online immediately, even if you are a beginner and have never made money online before. Number 1. Freelance writing. There are many ways to make money online, and one of the best approaches is freelance writing. Definitely becoming considered one of the freelance writers is a great choice as there is usually a contained demand and it allows you to access the paintings from your home. Other alternatives available to people looking to make money on the net include writing articles and blogging. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $500 depending on the article, or even $1,000. In case you are writing for flagship blogs. You don't want to have your own website or anything to start with, just Google websites that pay you to write. Number 2. Sell your old stuff. Another way for many women, and now not the most successful women, to make more money is to promote used stuff online. You can promote through unique Facebook groups. They have unique market listings, or through websites like Craigslist.org. One of the best promotional items is used books. Browse your antiques, examine substances, and try to promote textbooks on Amazon or in bookstores. Millionaire Gary Vaynerchuk also earns more from storage sales. Number 3. Coaching. If you have information in a specific area, you can use the network to provide a training business. Mentors cost $325 an hour, on average, while the companies running shoes fetch around $235 an hour. In contrast, so-called lifestyle coaches can cost around $100 and $60 depending on the time of day. Unless you're Tony Robbins, of course, and the $1 million prize for the training session as well. 4. Write a book. It won't be for everyone because writing skills are not something we all have. However, when you have a perfect command of the English language and constantly find it difficult to think, you are already in the pinnacle of 20% of the world's writers. 5. Affiliate marketing. The advantage of advertising and associate marketing is that you don't need to have a great visitor website to get started. If you play your playing cards correctly, you could provide merchandise to your friends and those around you on Facebook through your associated hyperlinks and generate income from their purchases. Of course, you don't need to spam or ask them to hyperlink before your purchase at all. However, you can sell the merchandise that you already use and are happy with. This way, you become truly recommending services and products without being intrusive. 6. Become a virtual assistant. On microzone sites of interest like Fiverr, Zirtual, and Upwork, You could become a virtual assistant for one person. Those who have taken their business to the next level and had a lot of business often hire a virtual assistant to resolve calls, which are forwarded to you online, or handle emails, inquiries, etc. Assistants make between $50 and $100 an hour, but if you are just starting out, $10 will be just the right pay.